This is a medical power of attorney form from powerofattorneyform.com. And what we're going to do is basically go through this form and just fill in the easy fill in the blanks and get you through this form. So to get started, this is the first page. And, it's just the basic legal jargon that just lets whoever you show this form to, and to let you know that what you're signing is actually an official medical power of attorney form. So we're going to keep scrolling down to the middle of the second page where you have to start typing in the fields. And the name of the principal is going to be the person that is going to be, they're the one with all the power that's going to be transferring it to somebody else. So we'll just use the name of the principal, Johnny Appleseed, just to make it easy. And next you're going to type in the street address of the principal. So we'll just use 123 Appleway. City, he lives in Appleville. State, we'll just use Kansas. Okay, name of healthcare representative. That's going to be the person who, just in case Johnny Appleseed is mentally ill or gets incapacitated or in a coma, this person is basically going to be making the healthcare decisions if Johnny cannot make them for himself. So you want to make sure that this person is really looking for your best interests, because they actually have the power, if you let them have the power to shut off medical treatment, which wouldn't be good unless that's your desire. But we'll just use Johnny Appleseed's made-up wife, Anna Appleseed. And we'll say she lives at the same address as Johnny, the city of Appleville, Kansas. And you just type in here the state that this is in, Kansas. Pretty easy. State in which this document is signed. Again, this is all just legal jargon that all physicians and doctors are going to know, just to make sure that this is legal. And when you print this out, some people do electronic signatures, which is legal, but what you want to do is sign this after this is printed out. And, if they didn't cover anything in this whole legal stuff, which I'm sure they did, you can put whatever you want here, which is one of those things that you just never usually do. But again, more legal jargon. Scroll down. And this is just, date here. Pretty simple. And this is where the person signs. And on medical power of attorney forms, it depends on your state, but depending on the state, you can have either two witnesses sign your power of attorney form to make it legal, or in some states they want you to have a notary sign. So if it's one of those states that you have to sign in front of a notary, you would sign here, or you'd sign in front of the witnesses, and the witnesses would be just their name printed, signature here, printed name again for the second witness, and the signature of the second witness here as well. And just to keep scrolling down, this is where the notary would sign. And again, you can find a notary at every bank branch in the United States. And if you have an account with the bank, they'll often notarize documents for you for free, depending on your bank. I know that Bank of America does charge a fee of around $8 to notarize an agreement if you don't have a bank account with them. Or if you don't have any banks near you, you can go to a website called 123notary.com, That's 123 is in the numbers, notary.com, and they have a pretty comprehensive directory of all notaries in the United States. So this would be just stuff that the notary would have to go through. They'll know exactly what all this is, so don't worry about it. But you can, if you want, type in your name here, but you're going to have to sign in front of the notary. This would be the name of the attorney, in fact, which would be Johnny Appleseed's wife. And then this is this would be a successor attorney, in fact. That's what this line is for, which is basically, say the wife wasn't able to, the first attorney, in fact, which in this case is Johnny Appleseed's wife, isn't able to be there at the hospital. You can assign a backup attorney, in fact, just in case that person isn't there. And this is just basically where they would sign. So that's it. That's how you fill out a medical power of attorney form from powerofattorneyform.com.